Here we come to the elevator at the Raffles Hotel in Beijing, China. These are original old Mitsubishi. I love that lantern. Oh, this is a beautiful cab. Oh, this is nice. Just exactly like the one in the other building, but we can't go anywhere. Oh, look at this. It's got a table in here. A beautiful old original Mitsubishi that is carted off. I hope we can get out. What year were these installed? 1987. These are definitely old. These are nice elevators, but sadly we can't ride. Looks like somebody called it. Well, that definitely is going to be it for real.